So here's an interesting app which is called Dazz Vintage Camera. Analog film cameras for video and photo. Which you can see here. So you can create all these vintage photos. Dazz Classic. You can create all these images here. Dazz Camera, your pocket photographer. No need for post-editing. The most realistic film photography or video is instantly presented with a single click. The Dazz Camera is inspired by the retro film camera of the 80s. Based on the film proofs, we 100% restore the color, texture, and noise of the film. There will also be interesting leakage effects. The Dazz Camera will launch new cameras from time to time. Let's look forward to it. You can also see some other features. And you can just create these photos and share it everywhere on TikTok or social network Twitter with hashtag DazzCamTag. Then I'll just open the app and see how it works. So you can just give access to camera. So there you have it. And now, for example, if I can just do this, I can select all the different video vintage, or I can select classic photos, cameras. And then I can just try it out. So for example, I can do this photo. And then I just have it like this. But this is the paid feature. So can I just if I just try classic, I can create all these cool photos, vintage photos, and then I can just give access to the photo. And then also not only photos but also videos, and then you can just change all these interesting filters here. So that's kind of cool. So manage all these different cameras, and they are adding more and more cameras, I guess, with each update. So that's quite interesting. So overall, hope that is helpful. Thank you for watching.